But if we can stay below, then we should continue down.
Yeah, you know what? Like after hearing that, like what you said, it's probably a safer bet if I wait the 6
Yeah.
minutes, just bears 30 to close, and then I could still get in if the hourly low gets broken.
Yeah,
And
exactly. I mean, you've got like 20 pips, 25 pips to play with. So you know, just to get that extra confirmation, you could easily get 1-to-1, 2-to-1. So
100%.
So I was looking at maybe a sell start once we break. You see so 2 candles from where we are now. It made that wick just on the just before open.
That's the hourly low.
Yeah, exactly, hourly low. Yeah. So once we break below there, then we're nice and clean on that candle.
So that's exactly where I have it set up right now. As soon as we break that, we'll probably even get a nice tight stop too for it.
Yeah.
Which one? Once you break this 30 here?
No, we're talking of EJ. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
gosh.
it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Maybe it start raining
Thinking
again
like-
now.
You guys are making me thinking about closing my runner right now. I'm just
Yeah, it might not go down, but it just if we're gonna head down, then we're clean to the downside.
It's a nice move this morning.
Yeah.
Got my stop loss at about 121.950. So if we come back into that kind of congestion area in the 1 hour,
Are you secured in profits or?
oh yeah, no, I secured like 8% at about like 20-25 pips with a 20 pip stop loss, a little bit more than a 1-to-1, and then I left 20% to run, and but yeah, it kind of looks like it's making like a distribution to come back down.
Yeah, because it's sort of closed below 122.356 area, was where there was the support to the left, and then we've kind of closed below, and then if this 30-minute close is bearish, then we're sort of forming a resistance at the previous support. So if then candles start making lower lows and lower highs, then we should continue down. I just want to wait for it to close, because it could close like back in the range as you put it, and then we'd just be ranging, and then I'll just probably wait a little bit longer till we get a bit more volume to see where we're gonna.
Candle to the left just looks so dang clean.
Yeah, I know. I'd love to see like what happened. I think it was like last week on EJ, where there was that clean candle and it literally mirrored it like to perfection. That would be nice again.
Yeah. It could come up. I think we could fall back down to here. Yeah, if we close bearish and we break the low. Here we go.
Paul, did you have a good New York?
Well, why does everyone think it's my birthday?
Really?
Huh? It's not my birthday, no.
Yo, Paul, did you have a good New York session?
Yeah, I caught cells right here. This one moved down
Oh,
from
nice.
here to here.
Yeah, that was
Nice.
beauty.
Yeah, that was decent. What was that, like 30 pips?
42.
Oh, nice.
Ooh,
Yeah.
monster.
Yep, always same playlist.
Yeah, it looks like it's about to maybe potentially break the low there on EJ.
Yep, I'll be back in a second.
Yeah, it'd be nice if we get this if it's to close as it is now, and the next one starts breaking the low.
Yeah, then you take the stop right above this.
Yeah, I think I might get in.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Just to be on the safe end, I might just do a 9 pip stop above that bullish candle.
Yeah, that
Be on
makes
the
sense.
safe end, give a little bit of room to breathe in case it does kind of
Yeah.
spike up a bit.
Yeah, because if we come back into that area, just more than
Yeah.
likely it's not gonna continue down. It's probably gonna create a wick and then close back inside the range. So it'd just be rather have a 9 pip, and then you can always make that back if we have a second attempt at,
Oh yeah.
again. But yeah, like there, like if you was to have a say a 10 pip stop and you was to hold for nearly, you could potentially get up to 25 pips on this trade. Like that's nice risk to reward. They're the type of trades you want to be taking.
Yep.
That's how you keep yourself more profitable.
100%, brother.
Yeah.
I took a trade like that this morning where it starts to break the wick and you just throw the stop above the candle.
Yeah.
It was on the 30-minute, and that's how I got the nice move up to resistance and then ended up pushing through. But yeah, those usually you can get a pretty good stop like that.
Yeah, nice.
What? Oh, you saw my analysis on? Yeah, I sent Raquel my chart. Because we took the same exact trade, or he didn't take it, but I was talking in the group, and that's the trade that I called out that everyone took, I believe, and then I went on his stream and he called it out for everyone too, and I was like, oh, check the analysis. Yeah, this looks like it might come create that lower high here, and then either break and we fall completely, or we start heading back up to the high then from here. You guys got one on EJ too?
Yeah, I'm prepping for the break of the lows, and then I'll probably take it for the next candle.
Hey, good day, guys.
Yo.
Yeah, GJ's right in the middle.
Yep, I think it's gonna head down.
Head down a little bit and then set up for more bullish. Did you look at the weekly on GJ?
No. If it breaks this low here, though, I'm gonna get in and take it down to about this candle, maybe down to support.
Right.
What's the weekly doing?
The weekly is incredibly bullish.
Mm-hmm.
With prospects to get back up in the range.
Yeah, if we do fall down, it might end up being bullish for open, but it looks like it's about to break above actually.
Oh yeah, it can go all the way to the bottom and still be bullish here.
Yep, yeah, if it falls to that 136,570 area, it could still make a higher low to then go test the high.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And anytime in the whole thing on the 4 hour, it can range for 3 days and still be bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A break and retest on the hourly. You mean like here? It could be. But if this is,
it could be, but it's not clean.
Yeah, and if this is support, which would be the retest, because it would form support to go up, then we're going to get a new high and go up and not break any lows.
Right.
It's kind of the idea that I'm looking at here.
So yeah, it could be a break and retest, and like when it retests, it usually pulls back into the structure. So it already pulled into the structure. So yeah, it could be
Aussie dollar.
could be ready to go.
Mm-hmm. All right, Jose, let's see what you got. Ooh, I love it. Sell the break of the bullish hourly. I like it. We could be coming up to this area here, and then coming back down as we made like a low, and then set up a lower high under here, to then continue back down, or we're gonna get above here and continue up. So, first target, runner target. Yep. Exactly. Kind of my idea here. If I can't get above the hourly, the new I think whatever new hourly high or low we get is going to be where we see some direction.
Yo, Paul.
Yep.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you? The background is just session times. I don't draw that. That's just the session time.
Looks like EJ's about to range again.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Yep.
Mac, check out the chart, the link I sent you. The chart this is what I'm thinking before 7 p.m. Waiting until 7 p.m. for Asian Open, but most likely I'm looking for sales. So if you could put it up, I would like annotate shit. So basically, on the 137 being a strong area of interest, I'm trying to see some reaction to go to the downside. Down to 136 500, that will be around 50 pips.
Mm-hmm.
If 2-4 holds, and then we break above this with a nice 15, let's say 15 minute to 30 minute candle. I'll be looking for buys up to this wick here to fill it up. That would be 137 400.
Gotcha.
40 pips. So waiting until 7 p.m. to see how it forms. So most likely my bias will be sells, as this area is being held and there's straight traffic on to the left from this 1 hour candle.
Yep.
But yeah, so
Nice.
something like this. And then next one will be done here with the creation open. Once China opens, I don't know if there will be consolidation like around 8 p.m. To continue up, you know. So far it's creating high lows and high highs, and most likely we'll be looking for a high low around this area. So, yep.
Beautiful.
7, 8
Kind of what I'm looking at.
should be a good area. Good time for us to see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna break out that resistance, or it's gonna hold that support and continue up. If it breaks resistance, holds support, then yeah, we'll be looking for buys. If not, at 7 p.m. we'll be looking for sells.
Yep. Yeah. If this 2 hour closes bullish, I'm gonna look for buys, and then I'll just set a sell stop underneath here.
You don't even have to set up a sell stop. You know, once that consolidation pops, then
That's
for
true.
instance, the minute candle that I see breaking above resistance or breaking below resistance and respecting resistance, then I'll be looking for sales. If not, then buy. Simple. But look at that wick to a 137 400. That's possible too. So
Yep. Yeah.
but
This,
137 being strong, it's a flat number, and we can always say that, you know, GJ, when it comes to flat numbers, and it's always like a lot of respect to that. You have to definitely wait for a break, and that will be either a 30-minute candle or a 50-minute candle. At 7 p.m., the Asian markets open, then there will be a nice push.
yeah. I think. What does it look like to the left above here, though? kind of what I wanna see. Oof, we go years away. So that's like right there. Yeah, we could
Do 30 minutes.
see something get up into there. 137, 725. A little messy, but volume could get us there. Yeah, I'd prefer sells because I can see the target, but
Right. I prefer sales as it's, we're 137, 96, so if we see this 15-minute rejecting, most likely it will, then definitely will be a good entry for it on sales. But I'd rather wait until 7 p.m. on hits and see how the rejection forms, and then get a better entry to the downside.
yeah.
But I'll be back at 7 p.m. Right, guys?
All right.
Out. I'll keep it in the Zoom.
Yo, I'll be back in literally 1 minute.
All right, I'll start. You got. All right, I'm counting.
Yo.
Yo. Yeah, JB. So these backgrounds, it's just go to your indicators, and type in custom session time zones. It'll pop up for you. Yeah, this 2 hour closes bullish and it closes strong, and then we break the high. I like the buys.
Did your 2 hour just open right now, or is it?
It's about to
the
close
next
in.
hour it's gonna close?
It's about to close in 20.
Okay, got it. The 1 hour looks nice right now. It's a breaks the previous top wick.
Yeah, could be buys.
It's at it's rejecting off a 4 hour support now.
Yep,
Like
2 hour
hold
too.
resistance.
Almost 30-minute broke previous. Yeah, I gotta wait for the 2 hour to close so I can take buys, and then wait for 2 hour to make a little bit of a down wick, preferably a higher low like these ones have, and then get in. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute or two.
Yeah, I'll be back with you.
Well, chat. It is me and you.
Who is in the live? Me, Paul. Appearance of Mac. I'll be back at 7 p.m. guys. So hold the fort. Iron Man is
Got
in.
it. They all left.
Iron Man does whatever Iron Man does. Da-na-na. But yeah, definitely at 7, we'll see if we get a rejection to 137, get an entry down to 136, 600. That will be perfect. But yeah, definitely wait until 7, see how it forms. Anyway, spreads are like a little high right now, so I'm just waiting.
Mac, would your buys change if it closes above this?
My bias will definitely change. Let me see. I'll put it on.
If it closes above the
My-
range it's in?
right here, look. If we get a close, a strong close, not a weak close, and let's say a strong close with a wick to the top, meaning that there's range, not a candle like this with no wick, to the top,
Yeah.
then I would not take it. Now, if it's 137 flat, which is this area here, I would need at least a 30-minute candle or 2 15-minute candles, But other than that, I need a 15-minute candle with a breakup of 137 flats. This is a strong area of interest, and a continuation to the top with a candle either 15 minutes or 30 minutes with a wick to the top. That means there's range. If there's no wick to the top, then there's no range. I would not take a trade.
Got it. Thanks for the analysis.
For wicks to the top, and then if we go up, which this could be a higher high created. Let me give me 1 second. Let me delete this shit. This will be definitely a, if we consolidate at this area and we stay here, then definitely I will mark this as a higher low. So higher low. This will be a higher high. And then next target will be another higher high around this area, if we continue up. If not, then the next higher low will be around this area here, which is bearish with the rejection to 137. I don't know if I'm making sense.
No, I get that. So if you mean like it comes down here, it rejects off here and it continues down, that's what you're looking for. But if it closes above, it'd be more of like this.
Right now, just how you feel right now, correct. So you get something like this, break, retest, and then continue up. Boom, could be that.
Already for the 10.
If we reject this area, then it could be something like this, down, up, and then continuation down, but with no break on 137. Just a retest to 137 and continuing down.
Yeah, I get it.
It would be a break and retest down here, and then continue up, about 137, or it would just be a consolidation down here and then continuing down to create a higher low down here.
I would like cells look better just due to the fact that it's clean traffic to the left, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Evening, lads.
And then there's a lot of clean traffic with this one, with this big ass black candle.
Yeah. I get it. Nice analysis.
Hey Matt,
Yeah.
Matt, did you see that it's already doing a break and retest? Yeah, to there.
No. There's no break and retest yet. The break and retest will be where you marked it right now.
No, it's going back up for the retest now.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
If it hits this area, then that will be a break.
Yeah, right there.
Down to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So this here would be a nice buy for 20.
When it hits here, that's the retest.
Right. This will be.
So then sure, it can go from there.
If we're talking about a bullish momentum, this right here was the break of 137, and then the retest will be around here, and then it might continue up, but that will be the break and retest for a bullish trend. Now bearish trend will be right here. We hit this point. Then 130.
So Mac, you're speaking very quickly today. Have you had like 5 cups of coffee or?
No. It's because I'm not using my mic, so I gotta speak close to the computer because I have an iMac. So if I stop,
Man, you sound like Speedy Gonzalez.
If I stop talking, it shuts off my my mic because I'm not using my headphones right now. So I gotta keep talking fast. And
Ándale. Arriba.
Like Speedy Gonzalez. Ándale. So, basically, yeah, like I said, I don't wanna. I definitely don't wanna see a 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle closing like this, how it's closing right now with no wick to the top.
What was that?
My bad. I don't want to talk a little slower. Like if I see this 30-minute candle closing like how it is right now, I'll definitely wait because I want to see a clean break above 137 flat. 137 flat being a very strong area of interest. You see here how it on this wick it retested it, tested it, and it continued up. It consolidated around this area. Now 137 is being tested and tested. Now this 30-minute candle looks like it wants to break it, but let's say if it goes like this and it goes above 137 like it's doing right now, but it closes without a wick to the top, then that means there's no range. Now if it retraces and then you see how it's breaking 137 and it stays like this and it creates a wick to the top, then I'll be looking for buys. That will be a very clean buys. Since you will be out of this consolidation area.
Yeah, it has like 15 minutes to keep pushing up for a nice move.
Right, you got another 12, 13 minutes, so yeah. That's how it breaks.
Like you said, we just got to be patient until let this hourly close.
Right, I would not get into this 30 minutes because it could push back, especially during GK.
She gone.
But I mean, if you want to take a risky entry, then you go ahead and take your buys in. But like I said, if I don't see a wick to the top on the 30-minute, then I don't see any range for it to keep going up. Just wait for it to either close or see some sort of rejection to 137.
Mm-hmm.
Closes below 137, then I'll be looking for sales.
I would prefer so just because it's like we can get such a nice move to the left here, but it looks like if this closes above, like you said, it's setting up for buys. But I wanted sales, man.
Yeah, I want sales as well. The only thing is, it made a new high, so it makes sense also for buys.
Yeah.
Right.
However,
No.
do you guys see this week here?
Yeah.
This one didn't break above, and it kept coming down. So I guess this is actually the real support that got broken.
Oh, it didn't break support. Oh, well, to the downside, you mean, yeah.
Yeah. Because it broke out of this zone here, retested, and then this is just like a fake out.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I need it to be.
This also happened during when there's less volume in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, around 4 p.m. to 5. So just wait for this 30-minute candle to see how it closes, and
Yeah.
and then we'll see. Because there's a little wick to the bottom, so meaning that there's range for it to continue down.
If it closes, sorry.
I mean, we
If
closed.
it closes above this,
We
like,
closed
I want to
below.
continue up. Only way I see it coming down is if it's like a fake out to come down.
That's another possibility, especially during Asian. We get a lot of fake outs, so we could go tap that resistance and then continue down, right? How you drew it. So
Yeah.
just, give it a minute. 1-7 p.m. hit. Creation markets open to get some volume, and that'll be, a good setup, a good entry point. But that's why I'll be back in like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay, Chris. Okay.
Look at EJ real quick, Paul. EJ looks nice.
Mm,
It's still shooting up slowly.
you said EJ?
Yeah,
Yo, I'm back.
Yep.
to get the move.
That
up.
was longer than a minute.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I had to make a drink.
to get this to get the wick fill. It's closing above this wick here. To
Yep.
keep going up.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's EJ is cleaner to the left.
Yeah, it looks nicer.
EJ would get really keen to take off. My bad, I mean.
Yeah, I'm looking for EJ buys right now if this continues to go up.
But yeah, look at this chart that I drew. That's in the perfect place.
Yeah, I think it needs to close above 122,500, and then we should get that wick fill
Yeah.
and continue up. Because that wick fill's still like you can get 10 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good trade, JB. Nice job. Hopefully we get up to that TP.
I've yet to take a trade on EJ. I'm just watching you.
There's 8 minutes left for the 1 hour to close.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see how it closes.
You know?
Yeah, if we get a bullish close on the 1 hour, Paul, what do you think?
Yep, my bias will be once this 2 hour closes in 7 minutes. That is buys. If we close bullish, but I'm kind of expecting it to. I don't think it's going to retrace the entire and go bearish in 7 minutes. And then on the 2 hour, it just looks like a simple break and retest. Yeah, that. go back up to that high up there.
I have a prediction for the YouTube channel.
What's that?
It's gonna go up, down, or sideways.
Man, you're so accurate with that every time, though. It's I don't think you've had a losing call yet.
I consulted 5 certified financial advisors.
Yeah, I think if we get above here, that'd be really nice, or even a bullish close and a new high. Oh yeah, thank you, Gershad, I forgot.
So nice, Gerja.
Yeah, he's so sweet. Yep, hourly break and retest. You called it, but did you execute on it? That's the question that matters.
Boris,
MK, just go to your indicators and you'll find it. It's just type in custom session time zones or session time zones, and that'll work as well.
I know you guys been looking at EJ lately, right? And one thing I was gonna say on EJ, the only way I feel like it would set up for good buys is if he closes above the wick to the left there. You guys see what I'm talking about?
This one?
yeah, seeing the way EJ is stood up right now, I kind of like buys for GJ as well. So being weak on the yen and strong on the pound, same thing with the euro being strong, and the way EJ is setting up going bullish, I'm looking for buys on GJ. It makes more sense. So let's see in 5 minutes how it closes, and from there I'll probably enter a buy.
Yeah, chart didn't work. Samuel.
Yeah, I'd probably only take a buy on GJ if we get above 137, 140 area. If we get above there, then I'll be looking for a buy.
37 flat, flat numbers on GJ are very strong areas of interest, especially if you look to the left of this consolidation here on the side. You see, it's 137 flat, and if it breaks, if it rejects, then sells. If it doesn't, then buys. So if this candle currently closes above 137 and it's leaving a top wick like this for range, then definitely buys will be more possible to for it to continue down. Continue up and hit this wick here 137 400. So
yeah, no, fair enough. No, I just personally wait till we get a close above resistance just to be safe.
Right, pre-market data, see how it hits, and if you get volume to continue up, then definitely makes more sense. So at 7 p.m. my idea would be just to wait for the next 15-minute candle, wait for a little retrace, something like this, on a 50-minute candle with this, and I'll try to enter around here.
Yep, I'm thinking buys. That'll be the new high. Will be the move.
We form support anyway, so.
Right, and this will be holding more support, right around here.
So yeah, you're saying it won't continue below that
area. This area here where it's been consolidated, I wouldn't even pay that much mind to it, since it's an area with low volume from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. So it's very weak.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, definitely we'll be looking for buys up to here.
Yeah, it makes sense.
What's up, Mac?
Yo, what up, Steph?
How are you?
Chilling like a villain.
Yo, Paul, can you go on a 15-minute?
I'll be back, guys.
Yes. So, can you guys see this right here? I want to see how price reacts to this. If it closes above, I think that's a good bias for bias. What do you guys think?
I'd like to see it break above 137, 300. Working price.
137, 300.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I like it from if we set up nice on the 15 minute.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like it gets a bottom wick. Sorry.
Yeah, I'd like to see price pull back and then make new highs and take it up to like get a fill here. Because I think this wick is going to pull price to it, and then we'll pull to this one.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we get that little. I mean, because Japan just entered a recession, and the tendency would be to be down, which would make this go up, of course. But I'm wondering if we just might get that little bit of Japanese strength at the open. Oh, it's only in 2 minutes, anyways.
Open's still an hour away.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm jumping the gun. So.
No, you're good. I thought forgot what time it was. I thought 2 hours went by already. I was gonna say it's a good 2 hour close, and then we should see ideally a wick down, and then continue up.
Yeah, I mean it can go all the way up to here and still be going down for another run.
This is also a nice rejection wick.
Still waiting to release now South Korea and the BOP current counts balance for April.
Yeah, I'd like a better wick down. I don't see any news for GJ while we'll be looking at it, so hopefully it'll be a-okay. Oh, it's tomorrow, okay.
GJ on the daily looks like possibly could do the wick fill if it continues like really bullish.
Yeah. It's possible.
What you can do is wait.
I think if we break above, I'll take it.
Can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15-minute high to break for EJ. I'm gonna take minimal risk, less than what I usually do, but anticipating to get in early to add positions later.
Yeah, that'll be an easy 1-to-1.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. So if we break above here,
nearly 4 to 1 if you get the wick fill.
If I get the wick fill, that's what I'm hoping for. That I'm just getting an early entry for.
yeah, I'm gonna put stop loss here because it's really still a good stop
Yeah,
loss. Now we can minimize if we need to. So we can have a 6 pip stop right here and target. There's 15 there with a possible 35. And if the 30-minute comes back and breaks this low here, then we're coming down. Oops. Did we end up closing above that 700 Mac was talking about? Or the 137? Yeah, we did. Cool. Spread's not bad right now either. And if we're coming down, I don't think we should get above this candle.
Really?
That's all right.
Mm-hmm. Is EJ setting up the same?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nice.
I'm just waiting for this to break over up to go on finger on the trigger.
Mm-hmm.
Playing around a little bit right now though.
It's okay. If it closes bearish and then we break above, that's even better.
That's even better for me, yes.
Mm-hmm.
100%. But I feel like usually like the last 5 minutes of a 15, you start getting a little bit of the move. Starts pumping.
Yeah. I would agree.
It dances around for like the first 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, this is also the first 15 of the hourly, so better to let it set up than just rock it right away, pull back and set up and then continue.
I agree.
Yeah, but we're respecting that previous low, so see if we get that daily wick fill from here. That would be lovely.
Yeah, I'd love to see a 4-hour wick fill for EJ. That'd be nice. It's kind of like your top wick over there.
Yeah, if we can set up at that 137, 150 or higher before open, that would be great.
Yeah, just probably get that volume going all the way up.
Mm-hmm. Be nice if we get that volume today, like we did yesterday.
That was nuts.
That would be wild.
That was such a good trade. I loved it.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm not in this yet. I will put it on the screen when I get in it. And the hourly looks good too. Almost there.
Yep, fingers on the trigger.
Alright, I'm in it. Stop below the previous 15.
Mine hasn't broken the high yet, but soon.
Yeah, mine did. Hopefully we can see a nice push up. Maybe get that daily wick fill.
I'm still waiting for it to break the high.
Oh, it didn't do it on yours?
No, it came like right there.
Hmm.
Can you guys Can you guys hear my fan in the background or no?
Nope. No.
Okay.
So my stop is 7 pips.
Use it.
Once we get up into this,
Yeah.
once we get up into here, I'm gonna make it risk-free, secure something. Maybe if we push up to here pretty quick, take some profits there, but we'll see.
Alright, let's go.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I'm back. So everyone's in. I guess everyone's at a buys.
Yeah, it broke the high of the previous, made the bottom wick, so I'm hoping we keep going up.
Nice wick to the top on the 15. So yeah.
We'll see. I think the daily wick though's got a good chance. 2 hours bullish with higher high, higher low, off of support from the 2 hour and 4 hours. So maybe you get that entire wick fill.
Daily has a massive wick fill.
Yeah, hopefully we pull towards it. That would be lovely.
Let's see. Buys. I had set up a buy before I left, like around 650. I got in at a 137 flat, 137.02, and
Nice.
my stop loss is a 136.900.
Yep, I got mine at 136,972 for my stop. First TP, I'm probably gonna take at this around this wick fill here. So
First
it'll be
CP I'm gonna take will be right here.
yeah. So about about 14 pips will be my TP for
That's
my
right.
first position.
Then runner will be here.
So when we go up.
Harrison, did you get in?
No, not yet, brother. I'm gonna wait. I might place a sell stop, a buy stop above 137, 210 sort of area. So once we get above there, we should be clean.
Are you looking at
Daily
EJ?
wick. Yeah, unless I get a close above 500 in the next 18 minutes, then I think we're just, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna just see how they both close. I mean, if they both get above resistance, and I think they're both gonna do the wick fill.
Yeah, I risked 1% with this one. I got in with EJ, so we'll see if we can kind of get up to that resistance. It'll be 1-to-1.
Yeah, that definitely is clean to the resistance.
Break even, and then we'll see if it continues for the wick fill.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll
It
see.
seems like, yeah, because it seems like GJ's just been like heading up without, you know, it kind of drops down, forms support, and then just completely reverses the other way.
Yeah.
Hopefully we've done that here.
If we start making new lows with this current 15-minute candle, then I'll probably close the position full just to minimize risk.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I mean 5 minute closed above that little resistance, so if we can push up a little bit, I think we'll see a little bit of a move to the upside.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. A little bit.
So a little
I like
move.
that little push for me.
I wish it could just be like yesterday's move where it shot up 50
That would be
pips.
that would be
Yeah.
great.
That was mad.
That was really good.
I don't know if we're gonna get that kind of volume today. To be fair.
I like how I could watch GJ on your screen and then also monitor EJ. They both literally are moving the exact same.
hopefully they both keep going up.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I mentioned before on EJ, how it's so structured that it's really bullish. EJ and GJ move up about the same on duration.
Mm-hmm.
You know how the yen is kind of weak right now compared to the euro and the pound. I definitely see it continuing up and doing the bullish run before pre-market. Well, through pre-Asian Open and Asian Open at 8 p.m.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got 47 minutes till Asian Open, so hopefully we can set up above that 30-minute resistance at like 137, 150, and then push up from there with Open.
It might be a little slow, but then again, I think it's more secure just to get in now and have a really tight on stop loss, like a couple pips, then wait for the bigger move and then have a larger stop loss, you know. So let's say if we don't break this resistance right now, then my stop loss is basically not even 10 pips, it's about 8, 9 pips. So.
I mean, Asian volume could push it down, but what I see right now is it looks bullish, so it fit my rules, so I took a buy. That's all.
Yeah, currently 15 actually broke the high of the previous one, so I don't see why not. I see it continuing up, honestly.
Yeah. Excuse me. Entry, I got in at 137.046.
If you go on the 5 minute, you'll see price was just like struggling to break the resistance. But I guess price will probably continue to push up. I'm in buys as well.
Nice. Yeah, 5 minutes bullish or bearish at the moment, but we'll see where we go. Got a 15 close.
If this comes down, I'm gonna close to my position if it breaks the low of the current candle.
The previous one?
No, the current one.
It didn't make a low yet.
No, I'm saying like if like the next one just started. So if the current one breaks this low, then.
Yeah, if you don't like it, definitely don't be in it, that's for sure. In 30 minute. We got 1 hour. Yeah, we break the high of this one. I think we're gonna be good.
You're gonna be Gucci.
Yep.
You know, we're still above 137 flat. As long as we don't go below that, 3 pips below, and we don't break the low of this previous 15 minute, we should be able to continue up.
Mm-hmm.
That's my bias. I don't want nobody has to take a trade right now, but right now will be the perfect entry. Like if anyone missed any entries before on the previous 15 minutes. So if you set up an entry right now, your stop would be basically above. Let me see how many pips. 5 pips. That's actually really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just tightened up my stops too. Because if this breaks that low, that'll be turning the 30-minute around.
Yeah, so we don't want that.
Yeah, if this 15-minute low breaks, I'm going to close full position.
Mm-hmm, same. So
Yeah,
I got to minimize by like 3 pips. So yeah, now it's at 5 pip stop loss, so.
This last 15 minute closed above the current resistance that it had before, 137. If it breaks below this previous 15 minutes, then I'll definitely close everything. I don't want to hold any drawdown. And I'll just, if anything, any entries come out across, I'll just re-enter.
It didn't mess around yesterday or the day before, to be fair.
Nice. Look at that move. You saw that how it pulled down, grab some liquidity, and now it's gonna continue up.
Yeah, either it's gonna make the push or it's not.
Then just drawing that wick to the bottom and continuing up. In 1 minute, you can see higher highs and higher lows. Perfect.
You got your risk on the table, and you're gone, and you're ready to go.
Perfect. Now, as you know, as the moment we start breaking the high of this previous 15, I'll tighten up my stop and I'll place my stop underneath this current wick, and voila. That will be completely risk free, and that's it. Well, yeah, it looks like it's gonna pop, and it's gonna pop nasty. So here we go, guys. Here we go.
If it pops nasty and hits TP, I'll dedicate the whole post to you.
Oh wow! So start making that post.
We'll see. If it hits stop loss, you're gonna refund me, right?
Yeah, we're all gonna refund you on a stop loss.
Yeah. Maybe my broker will. You're like, hey, I hit stop loss. I'm really sad. Can you guys give me my money back and see if they?
Yeah.
I think that'll work.
That's the kind of support us traders really need, right?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, but that's the thing about Asian is that at any moment this shit could just fucking break down in 2 seconds, you know. So can't guarantee anything.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck with this little 5-minute area.
Yeah, I'm not liking it though, to be honest. Let's see.
Is EJ doing anything yet?
Nothing right now, man. It's just dancing, but just watching it. If it breaks this 15, you know, probably.
So here's the way I see it. This 30-minute candle closes in 9 minutes. If it closes too small or I don't like it, I'm closing the trade and keeping my little few pips.
On the really low time frame, it's actually respecting 137.02. So right now it rejected on the 1 minute, and it's continuing to make a higher high one. So I think we're good. Believe like 70-80%. We're good to go up.
Yeah, the signal still looks valid.
It's valid till it's not.
The signal, it's not a signal.
Oh Mac, you didn't see it. It is a signal.
No, I don't do signal. I don't get paid enough.
It's a US 100. That chart looks.
Oh wait, I forgot we're on YouTube. I can't use that language. Sorry, Mac.
That chart looks really ugly.
Now, if you see in the 1 minute how it broke it's breaking the high of the right now. Look, I'm looking at it. As soon as it breaks 137, oh wait, there you go.
I want to see a break a previous 5 minute. But Ali, this looks awful. But if we get above here, I think that would make sense. You got a nice move up there, so that looks like it could be good.
Just crush the boy's dreams right there, man.
No, I just don't like it. Just looked not his chart looked ugly. Just the candles looked ugly to the left.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, not really digging this right now.
You gotta stay off that.
It's starting to.
Stay off that 1 minute.
Yeah, a lot of rejection going on. So
I'm gonna wait until the end of that half-hour candle.
yeah, it might be a how do you call it? One of those little things, story ones, or dojis. But right now, this 1 minute is closing, like it's super bullish. If it rejects again, then I'm closing completely. But
Yeah, I'm waiting 7 minutes.
If the 5 minute breaks above the previous, I think we'll start to see us flip to the upside.
let's see, this 1 minute is closing nice.
It's like right. It was right there. It didn't break it. Not yet.
Close, but
It's close. Obviously, ideally above 137.055 would be the best break, which would be here.
right. There you go, perfect. Perfecto. I love it.
Oh man, it didn't do a full
What
break.
did it move? A half a pip?
No, it
Ain't
didn't.
getting nowhere on this.
It did. It didn't break on mine.
People are yelling and it moved. What did it move? 0.3 or what?
I don't think it moved. I think.
I don't think it moved into it. It
No,
was
I
a
don't-
fake out.
Your stomach hurts. Guys are wild today. No analysis was that's I don't know what max. I think max was on the 30 minute, right?
I was in the 15. Well, my analysis on my chart, I'm gonna send it to you right now. So this is what it looks like.
Yeah, no, I mapped this out from the 4 hour down to the 2 hour, 1 hour 30, 15, and then I used the 5 minute to kind of monitor it. Somebody have an inhaler. Mm.
Yeah. So basically, this is what I.
So I drew that line.
Mm-hmm.
Like if the market is good to me, it'll hit that. It'll hit that.
Yeah, I think we'll fill that wick right on the candle that line is on.
This is what I had. I sent it to you.
I don't take it so personally. It's just like if the market does what I'm seeing, it'll hit that, and it'll most likely fill that wick above it.
Yep. If it doesn't go up here, I think we're going to be coming down through this support. Hi, Mac.
Right, and breaking it possibly and making some structure there to
Yep.
set up for the London move. Yeah.
So let's see. Other than that, I'm taking a 3 pip pause, which is not that much. Let's see how this 15 minute closes.
Yep.
Remember, still got no range to the top, so that's a little bad.
Yeah, kind of got stuck at that little 5 minute.
Yeah, if it doesn't do anything, I'm closing and calling that a day. I'm not looking for anything else.
Two-minute push to TP, guys.
Maybe. Hopefully it's like yesterday and we just see 10, 20, 30 pips. All right, we're done.
It's so funny because everybody's like, "Oh, we'll get him for a pullback," and then never mind.
Yeah.
Just kept going.
No, it's creating that.
You can't do that. We already know that.
I like that.
There we go.
Oh,
Last 2 minutes.
maybe good luck charm, boys.
Whoa. I'm alright.
Mac, you had more excitement on a micro, on a 100th of a pip. You had more energy than this 2 pip move.
Max energy is killing me, bro. I fucking. Oh, oops, I love it.
I told you guys I would get a goat on here.
What's the point of trading when you're gonna be all quiet and keeping your shit to yourself when you could just know what the fuck it is?
Nah, man, let's make noise. It moves off a pit. Yeah, man, make noise.
Nah, Mac, you need to stay after the live stream's over.
What for?
Oh,
These
it
mans are wildin' out.
gets ratchet after the live stream.
Well, we wrap it.
It gets real ratchet.
I'm up already. Let's see how many pips. I'm up
I'm up like 3 or 4.
5 pips, 6 pips now, so I'm closing at 10, and then we leave the run to 137, 400.
Yeah, I think that wick fill is going to be
Oh
a
man,
good.
if it closes like this, I can't close my. Yeah. Okay. Well, here we go.
What's our 30-minute looking like?
2 minutes.
I'm telling you, man, that 2-minute push, boys.
I wanted to fill that wick on this candle.
30-minute looks like it's been redeemed.
I'll take 2% from everybody.
Oh, there we go. Come on, fill that wick, baby.
Alright, I'm gonna close part
Oh,
one, the other one.
Oh, it hit my TP1 already.
Nice.
About to hit 13 pips, and I'm closing.
Oh, what's happening here?
It hit that little resistance up there.
It definitely continue.
go, EJ, let's go.
No, it's not even. It's not about to be 8. I mean 7:30. Before 8, definitely should continue at least another couple more pips.
I got a buy stop at 137, 190.
Nice.
Hopefully that'll get triggered.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 2-to-1 to hit so I can secure something.
Yo, I promise you my screen's froze, man. Because this thing ain't moving at all.
D-boy, you're missing the move, bro.
No, I'm in the move. Don't worry about that. I'm in the move. But my screen's not moving.
Jeez, I don't know what you're gonna do now.
I'm gonna look it on my phone. Well, I traded you. I don't know what's going on.
Alright, so at this point, I'll be setting my stop loss to break even.
Yep.
Letting it run.
Yep. Way ahead of you, fam.
Oh, there we go.
Both positions. So you should get a little slight pullback, which shouldn't be lower than the current body.
I might even get in if we break this high, and then use the wick down as the potential stop loss.
Let's see, but at this point,
Let's just see how far it pulls back.
at this point it's risk free as long as I'm up 6 pips. I'm setting my things to a break even. If I hit a stop loss, it's a risk free trade. I'm not gonna go into any drawdown. Unless I call it.
Exactly. Yeah, we won. I won this morning too, so I'm gonna try and let this. I'm gonna wait to secure till we hit this wick, and then we'll let the runner go fill the daily wick.
137 should be a very strong area. So above that, anything that closes above that should continue up.
Mhm.
Yeah.
137 400 on the 4-hour daily, which will be daily wick fill. But yeah, we should be able to go and hit those 2 wick fills.
I secured some here, and the rest break even. So even if it hits or catch, I got a low profits.
Hopefully we don't get too much of a pullback and we can keep pushing up. 'Cause that 5-minute was a big breakout, so. Wow.
Oh, we're going all the way back.
Don't do this to me.
No, I don't think so.
Sayo, your EG trade looks way better, like cleaner.
Yeah, but I wanted it to kind of go a little bit higher so I could close off at 1-to-1 and then go break even. But it is clean. Just my stop's in a good spot anyways, so I don't think it's gonna come all the way down there.
We're all in GJ and you're telling us EJ looks better. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I told you guys.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm done.
I'm in that break even still.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at break even because I think if we come down, we're gonna be pushing all the way down.
We shouldn't come down.
I'll wait for the next. I'll wait for the next train to come on.
This 30-minute has no top wick still.
I think open should bring the volume if this hits break even.
I'm debating just closing the full position right here.
An EJ?
Yeah, just fuck. No, sorry.
Hey,
Shit.
it's fun.
Just go break even if you
We're
don't
having
like it.
fun.
But it looks clean.
It does. It's just I need to get past this resistance a little bit in order for it to really fill those wicks.
Guys, if it hits your stop loss, then call it a day, or wait for the next move, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Once on the drawdown. Like, that's the worst shit you can do for positions.
It's still good though, man. It's just,
No. I closed it. I closed my first position at 10 pips, and then I closed my second position wherever it was.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Slight profit. and I'm waiting for the next. I'm waiting for the next. I'm at the station, waiting for the train.
Look, it's going back up, so you know, just let it run.
I don't care what it does now, cause I'm waiting for at least an hour.
No, I need 27 minutes, and then we'll have the push of open. Either
Watch
up or
the
down.
servers.
But if you look at the daily, it looks a lot smoother.
I want to see the daily Wickfield. That'd be so nice.
Yeah, because I think this pullback we got, it was stronger because this is like an hourly and a 4-hour resistance. So we should continue up, but we're having a little reaction off of it, giving us more of a deeper wick than we kind of would like. And then once we get above that previous candle we just had, if we get above, we should then push through here.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Easy there, buddy. Oh, my God.
Or not. Or not. Wow.
Don't hit me out with that break even. I am out.
Wow.
I closed the position just so a little bit in profit so I don't risk it.
Yeah, hit
I'm
me.
out. I secured a 1-to-1.
I didn't like that pullback. That was too heavy.
Watch it run up from there now, too.
Oh, my God.
I mean, it can, no?
Good, yeah.
It didn't break any support.
Don't wait for the open to happen right now.
Oh.
If we break here, we're gonna be dropping then.
Like
And
the 30-minute low, right?
4-hour made a top whip. Oh,
There we go.
snapping a little bit. Wow, the
What's
disrespect.
that, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't close. I have a good gut feeling because that previous 15 left a wick to the top for it to continue up. It's giving it range, and at least we should at least hit that 137, 150 area.
What is this, Mac? Mac said let it hit the stop loss, don't worry about it, and now he didn't close.
Mm-hmm.
You're trying to fake us out, Mac?
I didn't close. What do you mean?
You didn't go break even on stop loss?
Oh, I didn't hit my stop loss.
Got it.
Stopped out.
No, I didn't hit stop down.
I had mine at break even. It stopped out.
That's one thing. I didn't get scared. You know, it went below the body of the previous 15, but my entry was the 137.02. So.
I would actually, at this point, I would like this to close on the 15-minute close bearish, and then the next 15-minute break the high.
That, you know, if I hit break even. What it is.
And we'll keep going.
It's okay, as long as we don't lose any profits.
Need to keep pushing like it's in the gym, boy. Huh? Gains. Huh?
I flip it on all you guys right now and I just start taking sells.
You're a bad guy, man.
I don't like following the herd. Okay.
I'm gonna wait for open, and then whichever way we break, I'm gonna take it.
Yep, there we go. Keep pushing, baby. Huh? Gains.
I'll show you right now.
I think if you took your stop loss to break even, probably took you out, right?
Yeah.
There we
Come
go.
out.
There we go.
Wow.
There we go.
EG did like if I was looking at EG right now on the 5-minute. If this 5-minute closes bullish, it did like a perfect retest of the support there, Sahil.
Sorry, say it again.
I said EG right now. I'm looking at it right on the 5-minute, and if this 5-minute closes bullish, it did like a perfect retest of the 5-minute support there, like the old resistance.
Yeah, it does look like it's going
Yeah,
back.
baby.
Yeah, I was looking at that on the 5 minutes as well.
It's okay though. If it breaks the hourly high, they can still get in for the wick fill.
Yeah, baby. Pushing like it's got 100 kg.
Yeah, once it breaks the previous high, I think it's a good opportunity for buys right now.
I'm almost hitting my TP, and then I'll leave it running.
Just doing it right now.
This thing is gonna fly, man.
Yeah, keep
figures.
flying, baby.
Yeah, I got in buys.
You got in now.
Yeah.
I'm in.
So where you looking for it to go to? 37.4.
I got it first. Probably close at maybe 280. 137, 280. I'll take partials off.
Harrison, you got in with the
Break
right?
of the high. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm paying attention to EJ. If it breaks these previous 30, I might get back in again.
I'm playing with the profits I had from like this trade that we just got on EJ on a 5-minute entry here. I'm in, and once it broke, I got in once it broke the previous 5-minute. So if it hits me out, I'll lose my profits. But if not, let's go. EJ and GG move exactly the same.
Yo, this thing is taking forever. You never know what you're gonna get when you come to play with GJ, man. One day she just shoots and flies.
I got back in with EJ.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm in with you, Sahil. I'm just testing it out. This is the first time I ever took a trade on EJ.
Don't blame me if you lose.
Nah, it did a perfect retest on that 5-minute. Like if it hits, it won't be a big deal because it'll still be.
I risk less for this one. I only risk 1% because I'm kind of going against my bias. Or our bias still tells me sells.
Yeah. Asian sessions either been pumping when it's not supposed to be, or it hits me a break even.
Wickfield.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if these sells work. I mean, these buys work.
Jeez, bro. Chicken burger's getting to you.
Boy, it's called. We'll have this conversation after the stream.
You get ripped on again. That was good though. That was fun. It's all fun and games. Let's go, boy. Let's make some money.
Mm-hmm. Have fun. I'm gonna wait for open. Hopefully that has volume this time.
Where do you got your TP, Sahil? I got it like right at the Wickfield.
Yeah, I'm gonna go just a little bit below Wickfield because I got a 7 pip stop right now. So as long as if I make the 1-to-1, man, I'm just gonna secure at 7 pips.
Got it. No, yeah, I have like 7.6 pip.
I'm so tempted to put on a swing trade off the 4 hour, targeting 50 and 100 pips.
Do it.
Bullish?
Yeah. If you look at the 4 hour, it looks like it's just gonna do that. I mean, it's gonna take. It'll take most likely all of today and tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna do it with really small. So
what do you guys think? Sorry.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
I was gonna say, what do you guys think about this possible entry? So let this hourly close, like it's closing strong bullish, and then Asian Open is gonna happen. Hopefully, if it creates a bottom wick first, once it creates a bottom wick, enter right when they breaks the previous hourly high, and they get the wick fill up here. What do you guys think on that?
Yes.
Just yes.
Yes to what Gerd just said, or yes to a move?
It's a YES emphatic yes. And just don't forget the ranging in between. Ranging and pushing in between. Hey Paul, can you switch to the 4 hour for a second, please?
Is he here?
No, he's not here. He got his money and he left.
Well, EG did nothing right now.
Really?
Yeah, I was moving before, but it's just stalled out for a bit.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's waiting for something.
Yeah, I'm in an entry based off the 5 minute.
He's coming up in the second.
Mac, did you close these trades here, or are you still in? Is he here?
If this 15 closes bearish, I'm just gonna close the trade and just wait for Asian open.
For what, Sahil?
Rather hold on my profits, bro, because if it's
No, like
bearish,
I'm saying, what 15 is gonna close bearish?
the current 15 for EJ.
Oh, okay.
If it goes bearish, if it closes bearish, then I'm just gonna close the position. I don't want to be in it before
Got
Asian.
it.
Oh,
Got it, got it.
nice. I came back from meeting. I hit TP. I'm leaving a runner.
Alright, let's go. I was asking if you closed.
Yeah, no, I hit TP. So I'm good.
Nice.
13 picks. Thanks.
Nice trade.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I closed out my short term, and I've got my 2 positions for the swing trade. We'll see how that goes.
That's weak bullish close.
What lot would you what lot you putting on there?
For a swing trade?
Yeah.
Through to the RBA now, injecting 860.
Did you close? Sorry. Did you
Very
close-
small.
So now I kind of don't like how this 15-minute closed. You know, there's some range to the top, but it closed out bearish and doesn't look like a doji. So I don't know if it's gonna hit down now. So just I closed everything basically.
So the question about the lot size for the swing is, I wanna make sure it can swing like 200 pips, and I don't get like. I mean, it usually only swings 50 to 100 pips, but I don't want to like
0.2 or something.
But so what I discovered on GJ is, if you allow it to swing 200-300 pips, you can still make decent profit, even if the lot size is that small. So like if you have 100, let's say you have 1,000 balance and you have a 0.10 lot size. So if it swings 300 pips against you, that's $300. You're in 30% drawdown. That's a little large. But
I close the position. I'm not gonna clean it.
I'm still saying staying in EJ. Like if it hits, it's not a big deal because I'm just playing with the profits I got from the last trade. But the 30-minute.
But 100 pips in your favor is $100, which is 10% gain. So
yeah.
So if you want to scale it down so it's not so nervous with the 30%, you can scale it down half, and so then it's half and half. Or if you get a 200 pip profit on a 0.05 on 100, it's already 10% gain.
Yeah, of course.
And which is really feasible. So what I think a lot of traders, new traders, or most people that are like commenting in the groups don't realize is just simple math. And patience, of course.
Yeah.
For me, as I stated before in this channel, I got destroyed in my first in my first week of trading. I took a $500 account to like 18,000 in 3 days.
Wow.
And it destroyed me. I'm actually, this is like almost 4 years ago already, and I'm still like suffering from it.
Yeah. That sounds bonkers.
Yeah, I closed GJ.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
I don't like it.
That's another thing that I want to notate for the Asian session is like, do not aim for, big targets like 20, 30 pips. As long as you get more than 10, bro, secure that shit and my bad, just secure it and leave running. If it runs. If it doesn't, then no. But always aim for 10, 15 pips tops on the Asian session, and if you get lucky, they might as well just leave it running.
Yeah, Asian Open normally gives it a good 20, 30 pip push.
You're right back, boys.
Yeah, 10, 15 pips, and that's it. Be more than happy with that.
Hey Paul, if you go to the 15-minute real quick on GJ.
You gonna sell the low?
Yeah, pardon me?
You gonna sell the low?
No. I was saying it's actually setting up. It could be setting up for a buy almost because I have a zone drawn up right here, like that's just the line. But once it broke out of the consolidation area, and to me it looks like it could do this. Like came up, it's gonna come down, retest, and then continue up to do all the wick fills and stuff like that.
Possibly. I think if that's gonna happen, then we're not gonna see a new 30-minute low.
Got it.
Yeah. As the hourly, I drew this at the beginning, but those arrows are gonna came down, faked out above, volume coming in soon, should drive down, fill this wick, and fall down into here.
Oh, I see the fake out now with this zone. Like it closed above this, all these wicks here, but then they couldn't keep going up.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't. I mean it didn't really close above anything either because if we look here, you have this here, so we really just tapped into resistance.
Got it.
That's right, and then it makes the structure perfect for lower lows and lower highs.
Yep. So then this was kind of our structure that we had to get through. Got through it during the day. Kind of sat around, did nothing. Came back to it now that we got some volume in the market. And now we'll fall back to this target. Because the daily's gonna need
Definitely looking for sells.
Daily's gonna need. I think the daily's gonna need to come back a little bit. Maybe down to here, and then the daily can kind of do its little break and retest.
All right, I'm gonna head out, guys. Good call. 10 picks, 7 picks, whatever you guys secure.
Yep.
I'm out.
See you later, Matt.
Peace.
You guys.
Out.
You gotta tag me on your post.
I didn't win though. I lost. I got break even.
Oh, not my fault, boy.
I'll tag you.
Bye.
See ya. Such a polite gentleman.
I'm starting the EG trade that I was testing out on the 5-minute.
How's that going for you?
It's in drawdown right now.
Yeah, my original bias was sells, especially with EJ. It reacting to this resistor level really well. We start getting lower lows.
Yep.
Definitely be looking for sells back down below that 1 hour and then just clean after that, going all the way down.
If I lose this hill, I'm blaming you.
I told you, don't blame me. Go over there, knock on your door.
Reach, bro.
I mean, if the hourly closes like weak bullish and we break above, then we're gonna go up and fill the wick.
I think we're just a waiting game to see which way Asian pulls with the volume.
Mm-hmm. Because I think this wick could be where we pull to now. So we pulled to same thing. Call it before it happens real quick, but they're all lower than each other, and now we have this wick to come and grab, and then they're clean down to here.
To me, once you said like this could be like a fake out, to me this I would consider this a fake out because these wicks, it should have respected these wicks as a resistance, and not the top, if you get what I mean. Personally.
Yeah, but it did respect these highs. See how we didn't break above this high here? We didn't get up this one, didn't get above here, didn't get above here. So we got lower highs all the way down. So it makes sense that we kind of, I mean, I don't use trend lines, but
Oh shoot.
is this going to work? No, I don't like that. Let's try the bodies. I don't know if that's a thing, but
Yeah, it is.
above, back in, and then in, body to a wick to a body. I don't know where we'd put this one, but maybe, I guess this wick here. And then I'm pretty sure I've seen this before. I think this is a thing. It's a wedge, right?
Yeah, it's a
So
triangle.
what's gonna happen here, like with the wedge?
It either
Yeah,
breaks out to the top and goes up, or it breaks the support.
Here, might as well pop in a fib in there too, man.
And then we got.
Pop it. Let's see what happens.
We clearly have this.
Whoa,
forming.
no, not one of those.
This is definitely looking very bearish here. And then we got this forming for sure. So that means we're definitely going to drop into this target here. And then the last thing you need on your chart is the trend based, or the fib circles.
Oh, can't miss out on the fib circles, buddy.
Oh yeah, the radius.
The 2.618, we're going to fall perfectly to there because we are doing, where's my marker? We have this perfect little up down sort of MW like T kind of going on. So definitely looking to fall down to there would be
Super clean chart, bro.
I can't even see the candles. I wonder if somebody saw this and they're just like, oh, delete.
100% someone's chart looks like that.
Wait, how do I delete all this crap?
Somebody just took that analysis and just went full margin.
I really hope not. Why won't anything delete?
Oh my god, this guy's messing up.
There's a delete all button on the left.
Bottom left garbage can.
I don't want to delete everything. I have all these pretty zones marked out. I can't delete this.
Click the X on one of those on that ballot.
Oh, there you go.
Nice.
If I was clicking the dumpster and it wasn't working. There we go. Beautiful. That looks. Now we can see what's going on. Cool. Now we're back.
Mans goes Modern Warfare 3 on GJ.
I don't even know what was supposed to be here.
EG trade is still looking nice out here.
Is it?
Kind of, if this 5-minute close is bullish on me. I'm still in drawdown, but there's some hope.
This guy, man.
Just sells.
You kill me, Gurjat.
Yep, so if we close bearish here and we break this low, I'm going to sell it for this wick fill and possibly target down to here. And then this would kind of be where we made support in New York to continue up. So if we fall back down to there, that would kind of make sense. If we break through here, obviously. But if we break above this bearish candle, buys to the daily wick fill and beyond.
Yeah, I'll be looking for sells after we break the hourly low on EJ.
Frankie's up 100 pips in profit from the analysis we just did.
Oh, that's amazing.
Beautiful. See? Yep.
He's following the rainbow, boys.
Yep. So when you do that, it actually increases your individual pip count by 10. So there's 80 pips right there if you use that type of analysis. Alright, we'll get serious now. Hopefully catch a dub.
Hey Paul, I got a quick question for you.
What up?
I sent you a chart in the chat.
Did I miss
I know
it?
you're not a fan of the trend lines, but there's just a pretty strong bullish trend. Do you think we're going to need a pretty huge volume push to try and break that trend, or do you have zero sort of belief in that trend line there? I sent it in the chat.
I have no. I know they work. I think if we get lows, we're gonna fall to the support, fill this wick, and then probably fall to here, and then and then maybe pull right back into the trend.
Okay.
So like I said, if we get a low, then it'll be the first 30 minute to make a low in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 30-minute candles. So that would kind of make sense in my eyes. But if we break above, I totally see us going to that wick fill as well.
Awesome, thanks.
Yep. You just gone broke due to that analysis. I will pull up charts in a minute. I'm gonna get this ready for. Wonder if we are gonna bust up.
I'm telling you, Sahil, the 5 minute goes bullish. We're gonna rock it up.
I think a break of the hourly would be ideal. Yeah, 30 minute looks. Yeah, I got in it.
I'm holding off for now because I'm just doing something dumb on EJ.
Getting some movement here. You still in that EJ trade, bro?
Let me check. Yeah, I'm still in. The 4 pips draw down.
Yeah, bro. You're holding on to thin ice right now.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself for a second.
Gotta put the kettle on, man. I'm gonna go make a cup of tea.
Mm-hmm. Harrison, what are you saying, man?
Nothing, bro. I'm just waiting to see what happens now. I think for sales, we're gonna need to break 136,920.
Oh, you're fully paying attention to GJ, right?
That's what I'm looking at.
EJ, I've still got my sell stop placed at 122,280, but
We just broke hourly low too.
I don't know. I might get rid of it. See, because GJ looks like could, if we get below that support, continue down.
There you go, Sahil. I'm out.
Jeez, bro, I told you, man.
I know. Back to break even, or slightly above break even.
Here, quickly put on a sell. Go.
Full margin sell all the way down.
I'm with Paul.
Well, it makes sense getting in, because if it goes to the line like it is now, you're at the range prior to it getting down.
I think the move was right here when they broke that 30 minute where Paul got in. That was like the best entry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
we
why I
break
pulled
this.
that in there.
We break that hourly, we're gonna be moving.
I don't know whether to get a sell stop in.
I'm waiting for my entry now.
Oh, I missed my entry. Damn it.
It's alright. Markets will always give an entry.
Yes, wise words from the wisdom. Uncle Virgil.
My trading view is like frozen right now. What's happening?
All right, that's my TP. My TP1 just got hit.
Yep, I just secured 50.
Nice.
I just secured 50. I'm gonna go break
He's gonna
even.
push on, you know.
I'm going break even now.
Wow,
Nice
wow,
trade,
wow.
guys. Beautiful call.
Let's see if we can.
And early.
Hit my TP at 136,765. So right about here.
I gotta wait for an entry now.
I think we still have room to go down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Well, I
move the
think-
TP a little deeper. I'm gonna put it on the
I just
body.
stuck a trailing stop of 5 pips on my runner.
Yeah, I'm gonna
The-
secure another 50, maybe somewhere midway down this candle, and then see if we can fell down to here. What do we break? 2 hours. Didn't break the 2-hour low yet. 4 hours now bearish. Kind of like a wick to fill, so hopefully we'll continue down there.
On the 50-minute, I wanted to break all these wicks here and then do a retest back up for me to even get any entry.
I'm out of liquid.
Something like this.
Hey Paul, what's your stop right now?
Break even.
Okay, cool.
137.023. And then TP is right at the bottom of this body. Right there. My MT4 actually got below everything, I think. Yeah, my MT4 broke everything. There's no wick here. It's just the last thing was this thing here. And it wicked below it, so we'll see. See if we can continue moving down.
Yeah.
Be nice.
Hit the like button if you caught the trade.
And I was gonna go and make a cup of tea. Can you imagine?
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
grab
missed
some.
the whole entry.
I'm gonna grab some water. Mm. Or maybe I'll watch. And so how many pips is that? TP 37. Alright, so oh, okay.
Yeah, I got in on GJ.
But I'm just now. Again.
Yeah, I've got a small stop. I'll give it one more try.
And I've
Yeah.
still got the runners as well.
I got my runner. I'll probably take it
That's
about. I'll probably take my runner about 30 pips.
Yeah, this should be clean to head down.
Yeah, about 32.
My runner is not stopped out yet. Amazing.
Yeah, we're on my MT4. We're below everything, so hopefully keep going down to TP. Oh,
Yeah, you
there
know,
we go.
if the 5 pip trailing stop works, then it's a brilliant day.
Ooh, come on, girl, keep going.
How many pips is that?
I don't know, a lot, almost 30.
Man, I shouldn't have been messing around today.
Oh, that's good because my runner is now protected 15 on the trailing. It's already good.
Glad you guys caught the trade. Well done, boys.
Nice shout.
Yeah, I just secured another 80%, so I'm gonna keep my TP down at support since it's a runner and I secured most of it. And we'll see if we get there. So yeah, I was up a good amount. My runner was just at 3 times what I closed on the first position, so I just took 80% of it. Let me see what the 80% was. Hopefully it was okay. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Sweet.
My runner's protected at 16.3 pips. So I'm gonna get some coffee and see what happens. Maybe it'll get stopped out before I come back.
No, I think this thing's going.
Don't say that, Paul. I need to get an entry.
It might give you one.
Candle.
You might still get one.
No, the only way I'm entering on this now is if it does if it closes a 15-minute closes bullish and the low breaks. Because I tried
If anyone wants to play the song that's going through my head, it's in the heat of the night. I think it's White Snake.
I've tried entries where like I just wait for the wick to retest and then get at the break of the low, and I've been screwed over with that. So I'm gonna just stick to my plan.
Oh my god, this thing's just crushing.
Yeah, I just got another 10 pips.
Jeez. Gosh, man, I missed my initial entry by like a hair. Just started going.
There we go. Little more. Everyone's just silent watching this. This is like a game. This is like it's like football on a Monday night.
It's how low can you go?
It's pulling back though.
Yeah, that's right. Give me an entry, boy. I think like EJ, especially, man, it's got so much clean traffic to the left.
Looking for trade on EJ?
Yeah, I've just been looking at EJ all night.
Ooh, EJ. Yeah, EJ and GJ both have clean traffic to the left.
Yeah, I just kind of want a 15-minute candle to kind of come up, retest this as new resistance, and then I'll probably take that small stop all the way down.
Wait, you're waiting for a close or just a pick up?
15. I want the next 15 minutes to kind of make a little bit of a top wick at that support that it just kind of broke out of to the left on EJ. Kind of like what he has on GJ right there, how he's a support level. But with EJ, it's a lot closer, so.
Yeah, if this 30-minute closes below an EJ as well, that would be nice for sales. That'd be a really good confirmation.
Exactly. That's kind of what we were waiting for at the beginning.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So now it's just come down and broke into that area. So if we get a close below, then this should continue down.
Yep.
But I'd personally wait for a 30-minute.
Yeah.
Just because you don't want it to be like a liquidity for it to continue up again.
True.
On the higher time frames.
Very, very well said. Yeah, I still got time. It's only 8:12.
I'll put the kettle on that. I'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back too.
Hasta la vista.
That was the third time.
Okay, I'm back with my coffee, and my runner was stopped out at 21.1 pips. Not bad.
Let's go, boys.
Not bad at all.
I'm watching EJ with you right now, so this is retracing back hard.
Yeah, I have no regrets that I put that 5 pips trailing stop on. This is now setting up for the range that'll continue to set up for
it landed.
Yeah.
Clean traffic, what's stalling?
Alright, mates.
And my swing trade is running 32 pips minus, which is absolutely no issue.
What is that, like $1? Because there's like super small lots, right?
Yeah, they're small. It can go against me 300 pips and I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only way to do it. I held one GJ trade in minus for 1,400 pips for like 6 months. So
Check the version.
That's mad now.
yeah, well, what's really mad is it came back and it hit my TP and gave me a 10% gain on the account.
That's some crazy stuff, bro.
Yeah, crazy.
Anyone get in this? Anyone get in these yet?
Nope.
Yo, EJ's dropping now as well.
Yeah, I kind of got in.
I removed my sell stop because I was in GJ.
GG didn't even break the previous 15-minute low. That's the only entry because the family did the retest.
Yeah, I got in. I had a sell stop once we broke below that support area around 7-8, 8-7-8.
Yeah, I like a little sell stop underneath that the 30. I got in with EJ.
Yeah,
so
nice. Yeah, EJ's gonna run. That's nice.
6 pips, stop. So let's see.
Paul gave me FOMO. I got in.
No, I gave you the signal for the sell. You didn't take it.
Yeah, only for GG though. 5 minute.
Oh my god, you need to stay off of that 1 minute, 5 minute crap.
Yeah, man.
I'm trying the 5 minute. Allow me.
You can use it to manage your trade, but you're so much better on the higher time frame.
Well, I broke the previous 15-minute low. I still waited for that. So let's see how this plays out.
Did this not even break the previous low yet? Oh, it did.
No, it did on the 15-minute.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah,
That's what I was
like
waiting
the
for.
thing about the time frames because I actually like watching the lower time frames, but yeah, they can get confusing if you.
R to R on this.
EJ is melting.
Dude, melting, man.
Counter R to R on this is
nice.
about 6 to 1. I think is how you say that, right?
Go, baby.
Damn, I should have kept my stealth stuff on GJ. Oh
Let's
yes.
go, baby.
That is lovely.
Secured.
Yeah, that's a really good RR.
Damn, I'm up 20 pips.
Yep, my runner's at
I just secured.
like
It's actually
29.
it's a 1 to 6 if you're saying it like that.
My thing's frozen. What the hell, bro? I had to pull it up on my phone.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, she's pumping.
EJ's got some room as well. Oh,
let's go,
Where's
baby.
this 4? Is this 4 hour gonna break this 4 hour support?
I closed one GG trade. My thing froze. I had to close it, bro.
Sahil, how much you up on EJ?
I am up by pips wise.
Yeah, pips. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 10 pips.
Oh, nice. Oh, mate, yeah.
I think it's
you
4
can-
hours.
I think you could ride this.
I think things are gonna
target.
break the. I think we're breaking the
Or
support.
just go near it.
I secured. I went break even, but I had a 6 pip stop, so I secured around 10 pips.
Yeah, I'd maybe wait to see what happens in the next 11 minutes.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna keep this runner going now.
I think we're dropping
nice,
deeper.
Oh my god, it went.
Man, it's so nice when you wait all session and like what you're expecting happens, and then you take it and
Yeah,
just
it's
reward you.
nice.
Patience, baby, patience.
Made back the loss and a nice profit. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, my that first 2 trades.
Is that 50 pips yet?
No, I'm at 34.
Very good.
Is GG shooting down? I think still frozen.
No, GJ actually went up.
Yeah, it just went fully up, just completely reversed.
Reversed.
Yeah, you guys are screaming right now. I'm putting
Oh my god, we're so...
It went down. It went down, and it's.
Dude, it just broke the 4-hour highs.
If you look to the left, it's equal with that.
Well, I gotta reset this thing.
Oh my god, the monthly highs are being touched.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, I'm break even. I went on the phone. I know you a-holes are lying to me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why would we lie to you, bro? We're family now.
Hey,
Debo, I'm coming over.
family lies to each other all the time.
We are family.
All of our brothers and me.
Boys, we're having Sunday dinner today. This weekend.
Today, yeah.
I'm coming over to Sahel. I'm close enough to come over to your house.
Come on by, bro. I'll get you some aloo protein.
Oh, I ate some today.
I'll cook, but you lot are gonna have a problem getting over here, man.
Yeah.
Just a slight problem.
Just a slight one. Damn, man, keep going, bro. So much clean traffic. Don't start retracing now.
Yeah, I got TP.
Yeah, social distancing, riots.
I'll take a little quick detour through Minneapolis to come visit you, Paul.
Let's do it.
I think I'll be okay if I go through there, eh?
I think
Ride a
so.
bike or something, man.
Or like Chicago, you know what I mean? I'll be fine.
Yep, I secured 50% at support, and then I secured another 80% down here, and I have a 1.01 running, so whatever I don't know what percentage it is, but that's what's left. So 7%, nice job.
Good management, Paul.
Thank you. I don't feel so bad about that break-even trade.
What a beautiful trade, Paul.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, don't say I don't teach you nothing, Paul.
I'm sorry, what?
Don't say I don't teach you nothing.
Bro, I have all of our sessions recorded, so you'll be exposed.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
Does your girlfriend know that you trade so beautifully?
She does. She actually watches it on her phone, and when I do dumb stuff, she lets me know.
And she definitely knows because obviously she reaps the benefits, no?
She knows exactly what you're making.
She's watching right now, guys. She's
like,
watching
yes.
right now.
No,
Come on, baby. Put it in the bag. Yes.
She saw this and she's
More
like,
money
all right,
for us."
let's go. She saw the drop and she went to Amazon right away.
What you talking, bro? Put it in the bag. It says just get another bag.
Yeah. No, she's very independent. She does not like help, even though I force a little bit of help on her, but she likes to do everything on her own.
Why are you lying? Paul's her. I won't say that. ending.
You're about to flip this thing all around, man. Great job. I'm glad you held that back.
No, I know the stream's up.
So 4 hour, fake out above, break support, question mark, fill down this 2 hour wick fill, 4 hour wick fill. Daily, yeah, that would be, I think this daily is gonna pull back into here. So if somebody holds this and it hits this TP, I'll send you my PayPal. You can send me 1%. Yeah, so right here would be ideal because this was that support we had in New York session. Wow, this thing is still just, holy cow. Oh my god.
Let's go, baby.
I'm gonna go.
I might TP at 122.
Alright.
For EJ. about 150 bucks in like 2 weeks.
Right. Time to go shopping.
What a move.
Small account, you know, but still, it's nice. Nice seeing the percentage.
I mean, profit's profit, and we're getting consistent.
Yeah, that's it, right? Like, this has been the most. May was really good towards the end, and now like June just been blessing so far. Every month I've progressively got more consistent.
I can see it in your guys' trading too, to be honest.
It's all up from here, boys.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop trading gold.
You only get worse if you quit.
Yeah, exactly. It's all consistency, man.
So the question is, does the next 30-minute retrace this, or do we keep dying?
Oh. Mine's EJ's retracing hard right now, man.
GTR? Yeah, nobody saw that apparently, but I
Talking about EJ.
I thought it was funny. I want this runner to hit that. I think my TP is 52 pips. I think we can see this wick get filled, or at least partially filled.
Mm-hmm. Look at EJ real quick, man.
Oh god, EJ's got hella room to dump.
That's what I mean, man. And if it keeps going, you're gonna expect GG to keep going too, bro.
Yeah, I think this is just the 30-minute leaving a wick. I mean, if we look at 5-minute structure, we're still just monstering our way down. So
It can go forever. Look how much of a drop it's got left.
what?
Open it out to like the hour or whatever. Or
You think it's gonna come down here?
no, I'm just saying it's just it's just.
Oh yeah, it can fall to this hourly support too.
To this range here, yeah.
Yeah, maybe that wick right there. Yeah, so this was kind of, yeah, that would make sense where the hourly should start to react that if we can, yeah, because this wick kind of bounced off of here as well. So yeah, that makes sense. We'll see. Hopefully we can hit the full TP. That would be pretty cool for a Thursday. Is it Thursday? It's not Thursday, is it? Oh, it's Wednesday.
Night, Thursday morning.
It's Wednesday. Let's go.
Oh man, I thought today was Thursday too. I thought today was the last Asian session. Yay! One more day of profits.
Yeah, I think the higher time frame looks like we could be not turning like bearish structure, but I think the daily's got to come down and bounce off of something to drive up through this weekly, monthly, daily area we're at. So like this area here is why I believe we are having all that 4-hour consolidation. Kind of right here. And if you look here, so this will be the resistance, but if we look here and we set this here, this closed above, this didn't get above, and we came back down. So remember that. Let's go to the 4-hour. This closed above, this didn't get higher, and we're coming down. So, see what happens. Yeah, if you won today, can't complain. If you won buys and sells, you did better than I did, so.
Yeah, you had a bunch of people thanking you when you left for a little bit before. Everybody was up like 25 pips in the YouTube chat.
Oh, nice. Yep, you're welcome. We catch these nuggets occasionally. Yeah, and if you send me a message, I'll get to it as soon as this is over. I try to stay off of my phone when I do this, as I was directed by my significant other.
Someone loves you, mate.
Oh yeah. Doing this to take care of her and our families, so.
All the single people are punching the air right now.
Hmm?
All the single people are punching the air right now.
All the single people?
Yeah.
Given JPY is like kind of weak at the moment, it's kind of, is this like a retracement just to go push back up, do you think? Or?
Yep. Yeah, I think the daily's just coming down to retest and then push back up.
Yeah, I guess it pushed up for the last 4 days, right?
Yeah. By wicking.
Josh. Chicken bite and chicken burger had it again.
What did he say?
Josh, no, just.
Josh,
Josh, you're gonna call the mic later?
Yeah, Gershot's mad. He's not. He's,
yeah, brother.
You're welcome, Dangerous. It's a good thing we went break even and we had a stop loss on these buys, that's for sure. Because I'm sure there's new people that took the buy, and as it came down, they were just like, oh, okay, we'll put it here. Alright, we'll put it here. Alright, we'll put it here. And it's not going to do it for you. It's better to get taken out like here or break even to then catch all the green instead of the bigger you make this so if you see this ratio, it's like a 6 to almost a 7 to 1 trade, 6.5 to 1.
Yeah.
The bigger your stop, the smaller that gets. So if you took this trade and you had your stop loss here, and I took this trade and I had my stop loss where I had it right here, and we both closed at the exact same position with the exact same lot size, or the exact same risk and account size, I still made more money.
Mm-hmm.
So I almost put it here, but the hourly open, I just didn't. I wanted it to have a little breathing room, so.
Yeah, I'm happy with the previous buys. Like, I pretty much closed at like 0.5% of my accounts, not even like 1% loss, and made it all back and more with this one trade.
Nice. Yeah, I'm just glad I didn't. I would have liked to have secured on the buys, but I'm glad.
I do not like that 15-minute close.
I think we're gonna just fill it.
Hopefully it just doesn't stop me out and then go down.
I mean, it could come up and retest. It could keep pumping down. Excuse me.
Paul, on runners, do you leave it at break even?
Yeah, it's just that it's so small that I'm not gonna. I think it could come up and retest and continue down. So I mean, if it comes up and takes me out, I secured like 95% of everything. So
yeah.
But if it hits my TP, sweet, that'll hit my my runner goal I wanted. But if it doesn't, I mean.
You've actually set a TP, or you're gonna watch it and manage it?
Yeah, I have it set at 136 470.
Cool.
So I don't think I've only had one $2,000 day, and that was honestly just luck. Like, it was on EJ and there was some EUR news, and it literally went to 30 pips in the blink of an eye, and just I didn't even get to manage it. It just went in, hit TP, and I was out. Like, I blinked twice, it was gone. So that wasn't really like a skilled trade. I always leave my TP at like a random place just in case. But this one, if it hits that 136 470 or 516, that'll be the extra 400 with the runner that I'm trying to hit. And it's actually placed at a good spot, luckily, too. So it's not like I'm targeting underneath a big support. So
yeah, this was a really nice clean run, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice on the hourly, so I think the hourly should at least get into 136 450. So we'll see.
This is a pullback that we needed on the higher time frame anyway, so like on the 4 hour and stuff, like, we needed this.
I mean, if you just look at the size of these two 15-minute candles, it's bigger than all of these candles stacked on top of each other.
Oh yeah.
So
destroyed it.
Yep.
I closed like 75%.
Stop loss is at break even.
Yeah, I'm break even.
And if we break this low, I'll probably trail it down to here, just because. But ideally, I would really like.
Still holding EJ?
Oh yeah. I got my runner still going, man.
Yeah, nice.
Oof,
Yeah, I think you're gonna hit target.
I got
I
like a target around 122.
Ooh, hourly's going. Sorry.
Yeah,
I got
yeah,
excited.
it's perfect.
So if it hits that area, then I'm gonna be very aggressive with my stop loss and bring it way into profit, just in case if it keeps going.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Come on,
but
GJ.
definitely that's a good target area if you want to close some more partials. I think.
Yeah, no Lambo, just a GTR. I don't want a Lambo. GTR is the car I want.
You could get a GTR for a pretty good price, man.
Yeah, I was looking at them the other day with Lauren, and they're I found some that I think it was the Nismos.
Yeah.
And it was like 80,000-90,000, but I'd have to drive to New York to get it. So
you could get it delivered too. It's about $5,000, I'm afraid, I believe, for you guys. Anywhere in the States.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if you can buy a GTR, you can pay for 5,000 for shipping. So.
Well, for you, it might be cheaper because you're not that bad from New York, right? You're like midway across the state.
Oh, it didn't. It didn't make a low. It didn't break it. No, where are you going? Oh, it broke that 5 minute too, though. As long as we close bearish, I think we'll fill that and come down then.
Yeah. By the way, if you are in the market for GTR, make sure you look for something that's 2013 and above.
Yep, I think it was a 2014 and then a 2017.
Yeah, and I believe after 2017 they redid the interior, which looks way nicer.
Yeah, no, my favorite one is the I think it's the '08 Skyline that they had in the Too Fast, Too Furious. That was like the dream.
Oh, that was the R34.
I am not sure.
Yeah, R34 Skyline, I believe. Yeah.
I'm just pretty positive it was an '08.
I'm a Porsche guy, man. I really want to get my GT3.
Nice. Yep.
I got a pretty good connection up here with supercars with my buddy that has that Lambo, man.
Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty sick. Come on, GJ, hit TP. Ooh. I knew. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the Teslas. I mean, they're cool. They're fast, but I don't know. Ever since I was a little kid, it's always been the Skyline or the GTRs now.
How about that new Supra?
Huh?
How about the new Supra?
Those look really cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch this 5 minutes. It's gonna give me anxiety. I'm gonna watch the 30.
Yeah. I just wanted to break that low on the 15.
I thought it was. It did. It pushed it in like 20 seconds. So we'll see. I think we're still good on the hourly to target. We still got 24 minutes. Hourly still has to, at least, if we look past the most recent, we should at least tap into here. So we'll see.
Might get a little bit of a pullback and then that final push.
Yeah, because even 15 minutes.
You're in a really safe spot, man. Even if it pulls back, you're good.
Yeah, even the 15 minute is clear deeper past my runner target. So. What would a GTR get? Yeah, Sam. So if you PayPal me the money for the GTR, I'm pretty positive GJ actually immediately falls or flies to TP. Just what I heard. Yep. Thanks, Frankie. Appreciate you guys, all the moderators, and everyone else that comes every single day. Like, I'm here every day. You guys are here every day. It's not just like, I mean, it's kind of like a job. You're here at a certain time. You leave at a certain time. You're here to do business. Okay, I will be back in a second. Hopefully this hits TP.
It's going down, brother.
I know, that's why I'm going away, because whenever I do that, it likes to run.
I just closed my runner from New York this morning on EJ because it's kind of affecting my psychology right now as I'm analyzing the market.
You had it for buys?
Yeah, I had a GJ buy, or I mean a EJ buy this morning at let's see.
Wow. You got that entire move going up?
Yeah, just 20% of my position. I secured 80% at like a little bit more than 1-to-1. But yeah, I rode this with like 20% all the way up, and I'm not really liking how it's affecting my psychology right now.
Mm-hmm.
Like, as I'm trying to trade right now, it's kind of affecting my bias because I want the market to go up. But if it's going down, then I want to look for an entry to go down, and I don't want it to go against my runner, so I just close it to like 40 pips.
That's still good though, man. Obviously looking at like from the bigger picture, right? We had such a strong bullish run up. So on the lower time frames on EJ, because I'm trading EJ right now. Once we started seeing that consolidation moving sideways, I would have been a good area just to get out of that runner.
Yeah, it was kind of, I don't know, on runner. I was just seeing.
Then again, yeah, it's a runner.
Yeah, I was just kind of, you know, if we see like another daily candle like we did yesterday or the day before that, like.
Are you guys trading EJ and GJ because you might not have a setup on one and find the setup on another?
I like those are the only two pairs I trade, but I'll pick whichever one is the cleanest.
Right.
So that's one I usually start trading.
This morning, exactly, that was the same exact thing. Like EJ just looked way more clean.
Oh.
Oh god.
Oh.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god.
That's
well,
melted.
TP hit. Oh my god.
Oh, good.
See, it was the rollerblades. It knew I said rollerblades with bling, and GJ's like bet.
Mine, damn man, mine didn't go.
Oh,
Mine and yours.
Mine destroyed it. Did it?
Did EJ go down?
No, it didn't. It still hasn't broken the low of the 15.
Oh.
Yours didn't break the low?
I just closed my runner.
Yeah, my runner just it actually glitched me out and gave me an extra like 6 pips. It closed me at like 56.
I think EJ's just a bit slow. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Yeah. Remember, GJ's more aggressive too, so it's gonna make bigger moves. Wow, that was incredible.
It's a bit late.
All right, that definitely we should get some likes for that one. That was a beautiful one.
That was such a nice call, Paul, on the top on the 30-minute.
Yep. Thank you.
I'm gonna call it a night, guys.
How many pips was that?
I caught
Sweet
about
bros, yeah.
I caught about 55, 56. See you there, Harrison. Send me that chart.
You gotta start on the YouTube a little bit. 55 pips.
Yeah, today was a great day. Thanks, Paul.
Welcome.
I feel like.
Thanks, guys. All you guys behaved really well today.
You too.
Yeah, we're saving it until we get off the YouTube. You know this.
So leaving the runner is going to be up to you. I still think overall GJ is bullish long term. So if we go to the 4 hour, I believe. Let me see if I can. I believe we're coming back to here, which is that daily area I marked up, and we're going to retest this big 4 hour level we had the past 2 weeks, where we kind of ripped off of it to the downside. Now we're going to come back to it and rip off to the upside. So
whereabouts, Paul? So let's do that again. Show me again.
It's on. It should be on your screen, right at like 130.
Yeah, no, just I never had you guys on my screen.
Oh, 135, 350, 135, 350 on the 4 hour is where I believe this should fall to, and then we'll see the daily start to push up again as well, which would continue the weekly bullish as well.
Up to the 137,
and
500.
Yep, and that's actually the weekly area as well. So that's going to be a really, really good area. Yeah, wow. So yeah, if you hold it, if you got in up here and you want to hold it break even, I believe you should hit that TP by London. But we mapped this out. If you rewind the stream, we mapped out little arrows going up, down, falling down. We hit first target and we bounced off of this kind of hourly area, and that was the trade.
So Paul, I just want to say one thing, and I have to say it. There is a reason why GJ might not really retrace now.
What do you mean?
Well, we have the Japan just going into the recession, and it's only been 1 or 2 days since that was announced. So we have a fundamental reason why GJ might continue up from here.
Yes, I think it could continue up from here, but I think the higher time frame is going to pull back a little bit. So I would say if you break the daily previous low, it's going to have a much better chance of falling down to that area. And I think that's just going to be technical. That's not going to have anything fundamental to do with it. I think that's just where price should, like, just like the 30-minute, we pushed up here to resistance, not because the pound was strong, just wanted to go up to resistance, kind of retest, come down. Now the daily's got to come and retest, because if you look at the 4 hour, we closed above this to go up. So why are we coming back into the support when we already pulled away from it? So, and if you look, if we break down the candles individually, never got higher, never got higher. Now we broke below this 4 hour, which was the initial push to the upside, closing above. So we're going to break through this support like we already are. And then we're going to need to fall somewhere. And that's going to be that, where is it? It's going to be this area that we broke out of. As you see, we never retested it on the higher time frames.
Yeah.
So EJ just started pumping. It was a bit slow, but it started pumping.
Yeah, so I think this should fall into here. I mean, it might fall and just tap on this wick here. So I think anything in this area is a valid area for that 4 hour daily retest.
135, 500.
Yep. What do you think, Katz? Does that sound good, or do you have counter idea? Kind of banter a little bit.
Yeah, either it's going to be in this area and range, or it's going to actually do the full retrace and then do something else.
Yep.
From a technical standpoint, it would be glorious, of course, if it does the full retrace, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, we're still moving with 14 minutes. I think if we break this, there's nothing left till we hit like 135,740 to 135,360 area. So we'll see. Gold buys, I don't know if you want to buy gold. Yep, no problem, Diego. I'm gonna journal this real quick.
4 hour closes in 15 minutes.
Yep. But I forgot who was exiled. I mean, like 1,300, or you can get some fresh ass wheels. Look at, oof. Yeah. But, and these are $30, boys and girls skates. So you can do whatever you want with that. Mm-hmm. It's pretty neat. That's crazy though. Oh, $18. Wow. Those ones were 1,300. That's insane. Alright, I'm gonna clear this and journal this up.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I was trying to journal.
I don't feel right at all that I took this trade.
What'd you do?
Nothing. I caught it, everything like that. Like I secured, what was I say, 10 pips. Had when they're going. It just broke my plan. Then took it with FOMO. It just doesn't feel right because it doesn't feel like it was my trade.
Silence.
You can get the help. You can get help, bro. Just call the number. It's okay.
That was some disappointment there from everybody, so I'm gonna just mute myself.
You can get help, bro. Just call the number. It's okay.
Like it feels wrong. Like I don't know how people just copy other people and just are like happy.
Just call the FOMO hotline. You'll do alright.
There needs to be a FOMO. Yo, that's that. I'm gonna make that a thing one day.
Hey, this is Gurjot speaking. How can I help your FOMO?
This is Bradley. Are you are you experiencing a FOMO incident? Yes. Can you please state the particulars and post a screenshot of your chart? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll be back to you in about 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you. Bye.
Were they polite on the phone? You can't have rude people on the FOMO hotline.
Dude, I've gotten some
They'll be
serious
polite.
FOMO. Dude, I've gotten like bad FOMO before, like serious FOMO.
Some of them just take care of business, and they're upbeat and they take care of business.
I haven't got FOMO in so long, and the fact that I did and then acted on it, just oh my god. I have to go take a shower now.
Paul,
Yeah.
you think since the 4 hour is going to be opening soon, no?
Yeah.
If you're still in a runner, and it's pretty much, it's not like all the way to your target, but would it be a smart choice just to close out runners before 4 hour open?
It's up to you. I'm out of everything, so.
Damn, this thing's pumping again. Never mind. Holy
cow. What a move.
These last 10 minutes could be a monster, so.
I'm definitely going to close that TP over here.
I mean, what are you going to feel better if you secure before the close or if you hold it through drawdown?
True.
What's going to make you feel better is what I would say.
Well,
If you
let's
don't
take the profits, walk away.
Yeah, if you don't care because your runners, you secured most of it and you want your runner to maybe just hit a super TP, then just let it do its thing.
True. Yeah, I'll probably leave like a cent lot going.
Damn.
Damn, man, keep going. Come on.
Damn, man, that's a big move right there.
I
So
have
should
a
I-
runner set for like 93 pips.
Alright guys, here we're going to do a new thing in Zoom. Oh.
You guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming in a little early.
Paul, man.
Why? I don't know why you're laughing, but okay.
Yeah, dude, I'll send you 5%. Let's go. Send it.
No.
Wait, is it a 15% technically tip?
I mean, if you're cheap, I do 20, but whatever, I'm not bragging.
Okay. Look at this guy go.
10% on a chicken burger.
Hold on, we still got a few more minutes before we get into that mess.
Oh, shoot.
Like, yeah, we're going bearish. Yeah, bearish.
I hope you realized that earlier, than just now.
Yes, earlier. Just getting back on topic.
I'm trying to make this look pretty.
I think I'm gonna wait too. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade unless we see something set up for the 10 p.m. push. Then I might look for something, but otherwise,
I'm with you.
kind of sitting on my hands. I just got back from work.
How was it?
Yeah, it was good. I was actually listening to you guys when I was at the supermarket.
All right, guys, I got a meeting. Have a great rest of the day, and
Yep, see you in the morning, cats. Good luck on London. I'll send another video like yesterday.
all the best.
Yeah, bro.
Take care, bro.
Have a good night. Or morning. I don't know where everybody is.
I had put a question in the chat, but it's about magic keys since I know you're using them. If you're looking to close a partial profit, right? Let's just say 70% of an order, but you have 2 orders open. Does it automatically close both out, or is there a way to like set it so it only closes one?
What do you
70?
mean?
could do one with the new software update.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
I don't know if I did that one yet. The new update.
So when you hit the change symbol button, it selects the trade.
Oh yeah, okay, I do remember seeing that. So I definitely wanted to where like, you know, you can leave a runner in full position and like and go for like a super target.
Is that like a psychological thing? When you have two positions rather than one larger one?
For me, yeah, I'd rather have one for like 10 or 20 pips and then leave a full position just running so I can manage that one. Like, I guess if I'm feeling greedy or, you know, whatever the case.
Yo, this feels early and we got so much movement already, man.
I want some more action. I want one more trade for the night.
How do you open two positions like all in the same place?
Press open trade and then press double trade. It'll place the second one as quick as you can place as quick as you can press the button.
Oh yeah, that's the magic keys. But if you haven't got magic keys, then you manually do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just do the quick trade button. It puts that thing in the top left of your MT4 or MT5, whatever you have. You just click it twice.
Yo, the 1 minute looking crazy.
What, not the cross?
Wait, so does that open your, does that have the same stop loss as your first entry, and then like a different like lot size if it's like farther away from your original entry?
What, when it says what, sell by market? What, just press it twice, you mean?
Yeah, I've never pressed that button before. The double trade one.
Yeah, it just places another one with the exact same stop loss, risk, target.
I don't know where it is. Where is it?
It's right next to your open trade.
Double trade.
Do you have magic keys?
No.
Oh, that's why.
Thanks, bro. I gotta get one though.
Yeah, you do.
Placed my order like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I know things are delayed in Canada, so I'm not even playing it.
You're sending them out next week.
Yeah, I saw you put that up there.
Yep, thanks guys. It was a nice one. Good session today.
Excellent session, Paul. Very well done.
Trying to be like a swell Rakeel, you know?
Man, you know, you got to be better. Always got to strive to be better.
I don't know. He's pretty. I try to keep up with him in innovating, and holy cow, it is. I don't know if anyone can do it. But maybe one day. I'm still young. I got plenty of time to pass him up. So we'll see. We'll see where I am in.
Well, you're on the right track. That's all that matters.
3 to 5 years.
You got a team, you got students, you know, you're doing your thing, man.
Yourselves.
I will say trading is much more enjoyable when you're doing it with a group of like-minded people.
Your homies.
Yeah, man. It's like The Office, like.
Agreed. Yep. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is a lonely sport, boy.
Oh yeah.
Especially because we all click too, so it's nice.
Yeah. So there's I don't know if you guys know anything about like competitive gaming and whatnot, but when I used to play way back in the day, they ran a mental test while a professional athlete like NFL, NBA, baseball while they were playing, and then they ran another test when the competitive gamers were playing, and the gaming mental stress and activity was like incredibly higher than like other like actual professional sports. So I wonder where this, not that it's a sport, but like mental stress and like activity, I wonder where it kind of stacks up against that.
This should be
Yeah,
higher
that'd
than
be high.
gaming. Yeah, higher than competitive gaming for sure. Because
Yeah,
competitive
because you
gaming,
have money
if you
too.
lose, you can hit restart. We can't.
Yeah, and we're dealing with money as well, right? And we have a strong attachment with money.
Well, I mean, the professional gamers are dealing with money too. Like they have like $1 million
Yeah, they get paid
tournaments.
for winning. Yeah.
So I mean, I'm sure.
Money in it.
I don't know what would be higher, this or gaming or like real professional sports, but it'd just be interesting to see where, like if someone ran a test on like Raquel and Ted when they trade, and then they ran tests when compared it with the like professional athletes and the gamers and just see how much like mental activity this actually requires. I think that'd be interesting.
I gotta close my runner, man.
Did it keep going?
Try to pump it back up.
Yep. See you there, King. Thanks for coming, bro. Get some sleep. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I just destroyed GJ, so I'm not gonna go in and let it destroy me. So. It's almost 8. I'm hungry. I'm the same age. Yep. Yeah, I'm 25. Actually, I turned 26 in November. So.
Your birthday in November, bro?
What's up?
When's your birthday in November?
The 1st. You said yours is the 6th, right?
No, I'm December 14th. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He was way up, fool.
I thought he said no. He was November too, because we were talking how November babies are the best.
Yeah.
You weren't even a little bit close.
Yep. So if you guys missed this trade, here's the analysis. I'll leave it up for a minute or two. It'll be on Instagram and it's in my journal, which everyone has access to. So
Nice. Thanks, Paul.
yeah, I've been on a nice little streak. I mean, this was terrible. This was a break-even trade, or no, this was I secured 1-to-1. This is when I had to run out the door. This was a loss. This was break-even. This was a loss, and then a win. That was not very good, and then a loss, and now doing pretty well so far. Not bad. But yeah, I'll leave that up. I'm gonna be back in a second. Did you secure everything, Sahil?
Yeah. I secured at the bottom.
Nice.
And a good spot.
Nice.
Wonder what GJ's gonna do now. That 1 minute's looking crazy.
1 minute. You still trading up to 1 minute, bro?
No, sir.
My God.
Yeah, our friend earlier was very excited about the 1 minute, but he didn't have the same excitement when that 1 minute went to the basement. I don't see how anybody trades off the 1 minute. That's blood pressure through the roof.
Bro, that thing's so fast. It's like trying to catch flies or something, man.
Man, trading view on the iPad has 30 seconds.
What?
Yeah. If you pull up trading view on the iPad, it has a 30-second. I think it might even have a 10-second.
Never. Can't do nothing on that. There's no point.
I accidentally clicked on it one time, and I was like, what is going on? I clicked on a 30-second instead of a 30-minute, and I said, this is impossible for GJ. It's running like US 30.
This dude should have used to trade on the on the 1 minute on UJ. See, that's the most stressful thing he's ever done.
I used to trade on the 1 minute for Bitcoin my first time in Forex. I think my doctor had to prescribe something after that.
Yeah, I was born in 94.
94.
I think I'm pretty sure I'm 25. I don't think I'm 26.
Sure, for?
Honestly, I'm confused now.
Paul's not even in front of his computer, but he can still see the chat.
What's up?
You're not in front of your computer.
I'm here.
Oh, now you are. Oh, yeah. You
Yeah, the stream has a delay. The Zoom doesn't have a camera.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I was like, what's going on here?
Nope, I cannot be like Raja. I can be like myself though. And
Of course you can.
I'm
Tell him again, bro.
more than okay with that.
Oh, is it cool if I put my link for my chart in the YouTube chat for anybody that may want to see that? For like personally?
I don't even know why you're asking me that. Of course it's okay.
Bro. I'm just asking, bro. Sure.
You could put your Instagram in and advertise your Instagram.
You know, the thing is,
I put that in the
Yeah,
trailer.
what's your Instagram, man? Let me see what's going
Yo,
on.
add me up, bro. Okay, wait, you want my personal or you want my trading one?
I'm
I'll give
sorry,
you-
sir. I mean, whatever you want to give.
Here, I'll
I
give
didn't know there was levels to this.
Yeah. Here, let me hear. I'll put it in the Zoom chat. Here you go, bro. Hit me up. I'll add you right now.
You want my my real or my business one?
Hell yeah.
I followed your ATM Instagram.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, man. I got to... Never mind. Wait.
are we still live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
That's why homeboy slowed down.
I'm security in here.
I see you, Jay.
Oh, did I break 6,700? Oh, I did. I'm getting closer and closer to 10K on Instagram.
That's what we like to hear, bro.
That's
Beautiful. I just want that swipe up feature, and I thought about just buying 3,000 just so I could have it, but I was like, no, it'll feel better if I take a few months and get there legit. Yep. Alright, stream. I'm gonna call it a night. We had a good trade, good buys, good sells. If you caught both, awesome. If you message me, I'll get back to you shortly once I finish everything I gotta do. And I think we have one more day this week. Yep. We will be back tomorrow and have a